the Pro controller for the Nintendo Switch is a solid gamepad, but it's also a pretty expensive add-on. If you already have a DualShock 4 out there, the small USB adapter could be a better and cheaper alternative. 8Bitdo, a company best known for its retro-style aftermarket controls, has just launched a new device called the 8Bitdo wireless USB adapter. It is available for $19.99 and allows you to use a number of controllers with the Switch. Includes support for 8 Albanian 8Bitdo factory controllers, as well as Sony's DualShock 3 and DualShock 4. It is also compatible with most modern Nintendo controllers, including the Wii Remote, the Wii U Pro controller and the Joy-Con and Pro controller of the Switch. This gives you many options to play Zelda, but the adapter does not just work on the Switch. 8Bitdo says it is also compatible with Windows, Mac, Android TV, Raspberry Pi and Retrofreak devices, which means that it offers many ways to get more features from the drivers you already have. It even looks cute, with a design inspired by the iconic bricks of the original Super Mario Bros.